Good morning, everybody. We are on day 5 of distance learning. You've officially made it a whole week. It's super, super exciting. Miss Martin and I are both rocking hats this morning. We're trying to send off those weekend vibes. Um, so today for me, you are finishing off your Cornell notes on the Renaissance. So if you haven't already finished those, make sure that you're finishing those today. Because we are done with notes on the Renaissance. Tomorrow we'll start, or next week on Monday, because we still have the weekend. We will be starting our IACT. You're writing your very first history-based IACT, and we'll kind of walk through each step of that together next week. Very, very, very basic kind of together. So when you have finished those annotations, make sure that you are writing your summary in Google Docs and submitting it into the assignments. And then you please, please, please go ahead and take that quizzes on the Renaissance. Okay, that is how I'm kind of, even though we're not giving out grades, we still are assessing you on whether or not you're mastering this material, which will become majorly and handy when we go back to school. Or if we don't go back to school, we still have to show that you've mastered things. So you need to be doing everything that we're assigning to you in a timely manner, trying to get it done the best possible, communicating with us. The code is on there. You have your SOL review. So as of right now, SOLs are still on and going. So we will continue to do these SOL reviews pretty much every day to help us prepare for that SOL. Your review today is on ancient Greece. And so that code is in there for you. And then last but not least, you still have that Medieval Europe quiz alternative assignment in there that will replace that quiz grade and will be available to you kind of for the rest of the semester. It'll always be there, so please make sure that you're doing those. I've only received one of them, and so if you are interested in redoing that quiz, I know there was a lot of you that were, please make sure that you're doing those.
Next up, make sure that you are reading in the play Romeo and Juliet. Act 2, scenes 1 through 3. Romeo and Juliet have met now. Ooh, what's going to happen? Make sure you find the discussion question in Unified Classroom and do answer that, observing the directions on your screen. Look forward to reading those. I'm about to go and read your discussion questions from yesterday. As soon as we get done recording this video, looking forward to seeing what you guys put there.
We can't wait to see you guys this afternoon. Hopefully that'll be a time where we can kind of discuss some of the things that have been going on and kind of build that same sense of community we had in the classroom. So we were looking forward to seeing you guys' faces later. Just so you guys know, with that, if you don't feel like showing your face, you can call in and there is an audio option. If you want to just call in to just hang out, you don't have to say anything at all. Either. It's totally up to your comfort zone. We just wanted to give you guys that opportunity to kind of build that same community like we already have in the classroom.
Looking forward to it, guys. We'll see you soon.
Bye.